YouTube of you. We are going for a car ride.
Yeah. Oh.
In my Merface's car. We're not taking the CRV.
Get a little grip. This is what would be known in most little Hondas as a bumpy road.
Or in the Scion as the Death Trap.
And 60. So we don't speed on our street much. No. I just let it go and then I hit the brakes. I cruise around 47 in my 45. But I always like to speed up a little right before it turns. You know, that way I get a nice feel for the brakes. Let's do a little zero pull, shall we? See how I hit that bird. Alright, so.
There is a car coming and we do not know if that's Zachary PD.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, oh, and 60. I think I was a little fast on my seconds there. Let's see what this guy's trying to do. I think I can go around the